Hold there for your battery. Well, can't believe how many things from World War II are on my doorstep. These must be battery replacements. God. How cool's that kid? Serious? How cool's that? How old is he? Gun placement. Five minutes from home. Really? 5 minutes from home. Round the corner from home. Mad, eh? Look at that though, kid.
Yeah.
Them points where they used to fix the guns, are they?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've seen nothing.
That's where the guns used to be.
Well, the guns
To aim.
Look. Fixing the guns.
Look at the caravans. Do you want to go caravans first, yeah? Should we do caravans? Nah, man, we'll do caravans first. Think yourself, Chris. You see what I mean?
On the floor, look. What's in them tubs?
Fuck no, someone stashed it here, eh? But, mate, you see what I mean? It's all old though, eh? It's interesting, it's on your doorstep, round the corner from home.
It's on your doorstep, because have you put it? It is on your doorstep.
That's like a 5 minute walk, ain't it? Well, 5 minute drive.
Say, could you look at it now, are you? No, I actually.
That's got to be ammunition stores, that is. Or stables. Nah. Nah. Would it be stables? Brick walls? Ammunition stores, these,
Yeah. Okay.
So what I mean, that fish.
Right.
Would you know it's here?
I love this kind of shop. Anyway, I'd rather come here than fucking stuff. Huh?
You wouldn't know it's here, would you?
No, you wouldn't.
Obviously, that's a gun battery.
Not from mate,
Yeah, that's a gun battery. Right. So you have the same over here, the big circle with a gun in, ammo store. That's the same, big circle with a gun in, ammo store. Yeah. What's this here? That's blast shelter. It's got to be a blast shelter, that is. You see the circles, look? Dotted about. Still got the boxes in. Oh my time, man. Got down there, yeah? That's going to be an old hanger. Timber framed. It was... Well, it's well intact. Can't believe this is on the doorstep. Can't believe it. Hold it. Don't know if it's Can't believe it. Hold on, we have to stop the video now and re-record. Sorry. Well, sorry, we are back. Can't believe this is on the doorstep. Can't believe it. Literally 5 minutes from home. On batteries. Really? What you enjoy? Timber frame. Don't even know what that is. It's like the old style lampposts. Well, don't know where fish and big fish is. Have you looked round? Have you been round? Been round all this? Any good or what? Who's in the caravan?
There's a few caravans, kid.
Is that? There must be old security though. The thing is, fish, what I say to you, can you believe what's on your doorstep? I don't know what it's all for, man. This is absolutely huge. The old block and tackle. Wow. Really? Let's play this place. Look at that. Must be a repairing shed. Must have been. Repairs for something. How well's it maintained? Well, not maintained obviously. Since 1945, 46. Look at the place. And I keep saying it, but I can't believe this place is on my doorstep. It's mad though, eh? Can you believe this is on the doorstep, fish? Honestly? Can you believe it? It's got to be another gun battery. Random caravan. Could have been security at some point. Actually, there's a bastard foot pump. I think these blockades missing like the original gun batteries. You can see the markings on the floor. I don't know if they stored ammo there or what, but yeah. Holiday Home in one. There's another one over here. It's got to be a maintenance shed, that has. It's got to be. The winch and the roof. Look at the place. The place is vast. What's this here? I really don't know, but it... White tiling. I don't even know. It's not a seating area. That's weird. Thick roof, thick walls. Plug socket. I really don't know. People, please put it in the comments. Let me know what you think. I don't know what to think about it all. Obviously, we come in from the original place. That's 1, 2 over there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's an original battery. No. That was the original we come into. With a wooden shack. That's the last one round in the circle. You can have a look round now. It's round an area. Another caravan. We'll head up there. Wooden shack. Christ knows what that is. Another caravan. It's like a scrap pile. It's got a big pillbox. It's got to be some sort of scrap pile. Jockey wheels. I really don't know. Led back round. This is the back end of it. I really don't know when that was built, but the sheet at the bottom says it's going to be after the war. Probably popped up for some reason. So this caravan out, why not? There's the original structures, the first one we looked at. Check this out, someone's had a barbecue. Put loose. I don't know if they've been stashing caravans down here, barbecue. Someone's drawn a cock on the window. Fuck knows if someone's been sleeping down there. Check the wooden shack out. We'll head over to that one where fish and big fish is. Random shit's gone on. Say that was some sort of storage. I'd like to have a look actually. That's all modern. That's not from the war. It'd be asbestos. Hold on. All tyres. Bit of stash halves. A stash for old tyres. Fat tyres. Right. Have a look at that. That caravan looks newer. Let me zoom in. Hold on. Let's hope we don't fucking stumble across someone. That's the old shack. That's going to be a pillbox. We'll have a look at that. Scrap pile. Old scrap pile. Toolbox. It's a mad place. Look at the mounds. Look at the mounds. Makes you think. What's underground? We can see what's above ground, but munitions loading up. Madness. Oh, pillbox got to be. Oh, turret. Wow. Switch off to old school. Yeah, old pillbox. Must have been turret for a gun. Old swivel mains. The place is massive. I can't believe what is round the corner from my house. I can't believe it. Oh, pillbox. Right, best way to this bloody caravan. We am back. So that's turn off. I had to jump the fence. But I think this is it. Been round it all. That's caravan. I don't even know what's in here. So we'll have a quick look. I'm interested to see what's in that hedgerow. I can't believe what's here. Ready car. Get some stills at the end of the film. I'm going to walk back round here. Sorry, out of breath. Honestly, I've been climbing fences, up and down trenches, in ditches, out of ditches, picking up air pumps. I don't even know what's gone up here. I'd explain one caravan for security, but I don't know if it's somewhere's dumping caravans, been stolen. I really don't know. But there you go. Quick look. Oh dear. I don't even know where the fuck they've got them on here. I'd rather get the screen wash. Christ. Wow. I don't know what to say. Watch at the hedgerows, there's. See what's over here. There's mounds everywhere. Honestly, mounds everywhere. What's up this mound? Let's have a quick look. Definitely something everywhere here. Gotta see it. Hello? Is that there? Man, there's got to be bunkers everywhere there. I'm coming there now. Look at the mounds, everything. What's that over there? Really? Honestly. It's a full day over here. Full day. Get over here. Got a bunker over here. Let's see what they got. Bear with me. Madness. Mounds everywhere. The thing is, lads, there's got to be them all over the place. Look at the mounds here. It's got him one.
Mate, he's right now,
What is he?
He's gone.
What's it looking like, fish?
Nothing, just a brick wall.
Fuck about, kid.
It's been picked up, kid.
Yeah. But you look at that little fish. All of it, all over the... That's a big mound there. There's got to be shitloads underground, ain't there?
It needs to be lifted.
I'll pull the anchor. I'll get this stuff. 40 pounds.
Kid,
Look at this mad bastard. Look. Finds a random fucking manhole cover and then fucking goes down.
I know.
You're right, yeah?
I'm on it. I'm on it.
Look at this fucking... Wait, the thing is, what's over there? What's over there? Random fucking bushes. You fucking believe it, kid. Look at the mounds there.
What's making? Can I get involved there?
The thing is though, fish, you think about it, what's above ground here, with all the gun placements, what's underground? It's all over the shop, man. You see, look, you see lines over there, it goes all that way, trust me. Yeah, be careful, kid. Yeah. Old shelters though, are they? Mm-hmm. 1 second. Hello. Yo, you're right, mate. I'm over here. Shelters. Now I popped over with fish. Noddy's picking you up. He's going to picking you up now and coming over here. Over the shelters, you know the blast shelters. You know the ones we picked out on Google Earth earlier. I popped over there. Yeah. I popped over there with fish, mate. It's down the road. No, he was going to pick me up and you up. But basically, what he'd done, he said he was still cooking and you were going to stop in the pub. So I was, yeah, sorted, mate. Anyway. Look how deep them, man, kid.
Huh?
Look how deep them, man. Yeah, I know. Where do you reckon from there? Just a quick look there. What? There's one there. You can see lines there. They've got to go all back that way, are they? These lot are coming over anyway, so we need to head back towards the road. They're going too far that way. I reckon that straight down that way. Do what? Now I'll give you your brother. The thing is starfish, what do you reckon? They're all in there, are they? See the mounds and that?
Yeah, I see the mounds. I'm surprised we don't see nothing on that mound. Have you noticed there? Oh, the ground is.
Yeah.
They're going down there. They're going down there.
What? Oak trees. Go straight down, fish. Quick look there, on the bottom corner, then we'll head back towards the road. It's going to take them 5 minutes to get here, mate. Fuck knows, kid. The thing is, though, fish, them lot, these must be under all of it. Nah. I reckon they all go back that way though. Do you know what I mean?
Deep in there, kid.
Yeah, we are going that way. Back
Deep
towards the
in there.
road.
Get down there, you have to fucking
Yeah.
walk half a mile down there.
Madness.
There's plenty over there, you can see it.
Yeah. You can see the lines, Kaya. Yeah. Where? You are? Place is full of holes and shit though, eh? It's got to be. Fuck! Nah, be careful, man. Yeah. There's holes fucking everywhere. What the fuck? Mate, you wouldn't fucking know it's there, would you? How the fuck? Mate, it's brick built as well, look.
Yeah. That's probably the way in. That's when you need stabbers, Wayne.
Yeah. The thing is though, fish, like I said to you, the more round here, look at the mounds, the more over the shop. Follow the pathway back we come in. Right, there's got to be one there, are there? Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
Imagine if you dropped into a 60-foot cavern.
The thing is though, fish, he could have dropped down that.
That's why you spread yourself, Chris.
You look at that, it's a brick hole. He could have dropped down, fucking straight down.
Yeah.
That's going to be the entrance to that.
What would you have done, like, if you couldn't have seen him, like?
Yeah, but that's
You
why
have
you
to go
spread
down,
yourself.
where we're going to leave him. You have to go down.
If that
Yeah, I would have gone
spread
down.
yourself,
I would have stopped up here.
Huh? Yeah, but if that
Where's
happens...
the helicopter going to land?
No, we're there.
Exactly.
The thing is though, fish, you imagine, look at the mounds here. It's full of places like this. Where the guns was, you know where the guns, fish, you know where the guns was? Where did they put all the ammo and the soldiers that hide from fucking air raids? All underground. Look at the indent there, look. One there. One over there, the one you fell down.
Yes.
I'm all over the shop, fish.
I put my fucking arms out there.
Yeah. I'm all over the place, mate.
Mate, I don't even trust the floor, kid.
Yeah. That's right too though. You don't know what's underfoot, do you?
Little spill my coffee. No more days.
Got a lid on it, here.
If that happens, you put the fucking arms out, man, the arms to catch you. I've been pulling it. That just went from nowhere, you know.
Yeah.
You're going to be a bit more fucking scared. Like, if I just come and have a bit fucking back that kid.
But you look at that.
Huh?
Look at the mounds there. Mound there. Mound up there. What's underground? There's got no reason to be a mound there. The thing is though, what's the case for that? You look at this. Look at this ground there. Look at the score marks in it. Chris, you know. Score marks in the ground. Trees pushed back. Look at that, clear ground.
Yeah, but then everything's pushed back with a machine, then.
Yeah, exactly. Why though?
That's been machined.
Yeah. That's like a dozer pushing it back. Good fag, Chris. Good fag, kid.
Yeah.
Look at that, man. Fucking rubble everywhere. You're alright though, yeah?
What the hell?
Jeez.
This ground's been disturbed.
Yeah. You look at the bricks, look.
You know why as well? The flowers growing.
Got lots of it. Mine's probably gone down the hole. With the concrete.
Don't wind him up, man.
Say how quick was that? Because put my arms out, I thought, fuck you know. Yeah, what, don't you say that? Say I thought.